Introduction to pipe. In this video, we will learn about the pipe, main feature of the pipe, different terminologies used for the pipe, and purchase requirement for the pipe. So first of all, what is pipe? The basic definition of pipe is the main component of piping system that is used to transport fluid from one place to another place under pressure, either internal or external or both at the same time. For example, in subsea pipelines, we have the internal pressure and external pressure at the same times, and the fluid that we are transporting from one place to another place, it could be a liquid, or it could be a gas, or it could be a mixture of liquid and gas. Like in oil and gas, normally we are facing oil, water and gas at the same time. Pipe must be carefully chosen for long-term and safe operation of plant. So pipe has the following main features to describe it completely, and it requires for the purchasing of the pipe as well. Like, we have to specify the nominal pipe size, that is called NPS, or nominal diameter, that is normally written as DN. We'll explain what is the difference between nominal pipe size, DN, or nominal bore. Then the wall thickness, and sometimes we specify as a schedule of the pipe, and what is the difference between schedule of the pipe and the wall thickness, we'll explain later on. Then pipe classification, and like different kind of pipes are available in the market, so what are those classifications. Then material of construction for a pipe, like material like simple carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, or non-metallic pipes. Pipe, we have to specify the pipe end type as well, like plain end, bevel end, etc. We'll study in detail in the next few slides. And the pipe lengths, like single random or double random lengths of a pipe. What is nominal pipe size? Nominal pipe size means when we specify the dia of the pipe in inches, it is called the nominal pipe size, NPS, and it is normally followed in American system and American standards. What does mean for NPS, like 12 inch or 14 inch or 10 inch means? We know that pipe has internal diameter, that is called the ID of the pipe. We know that the outside diameter of the pipe, but this nominal is somewhere in between ID and OD of the pipe, and it is not very well defined that where it exists, but it exists in between ID and OD. So that's why it is called nominal pipe size, like 2 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch, 8 inch, 10 inch, and up to 12 inch. The nominal pipe size is always in between ID and OD of the pipe, while for the 14 inch and above, the nominal pipe size is always equal to the OD of the pipe. So this is very specific, and in this picture you can see the nominal pipe size, it is in between ID and OD of the pipe, and the wall thickness is specified, like when you subtract from OD from ID, you will get the wall thickness of the pipe. Be careful, when you subtract OD from ID, you will get double of the thickness, so you have to divide it by 2. What are the standards for pipes? So for the dimensional standards for pipes, there are 2 standards available. One is for the simple carbon steel pipes, and other one is for the stainless steel pipes. For ASME B36.10, it is welded and seamless wrought steel pipe. It's a dimensional standard for carbon steel pipe, and it has available the size range of the pipes from 1/8 inch to 80 inch. The manufacturing of pipe from 14 inch and the larger is based on OD corresponding to the nominal size. Like below 12 inch, the nominal size of the pipe for OD is always greater than the nominal pipe size, up to the 12 inch. 6.10 will give you the complete OD of the pipe range, starting from 1/8 inch to 80 inch, and then it will give you the thicknesses and the schedules of the pipes, and it will give you the formula for the weight calculation that is mentioned over here in this slide as well. The second standard is B36.19, and it is particularly for stainless steel pipes. All the dimensions related to stainless steel pipes, it's available there, and the size range in this standard is from 1/8 inch to 30 inch. And here you will find the suffix S is added to differentiate the thicknesses between B36.10 and B36.19. S, you can just remember, S belongs to stainless steel. So wherever the schedule written like 5S, 10S, 40S, it means it belongs to stainless steel pipe. Okay, then in this standard we find the weight calculation. The nominal weight of steel pipes are calculated values and are tabulated in table 1 of these standards. The nominal plain end weight in pounds per foot or the kg per meters are given in these formulas, like these formulas: W is equal to 10.69, D minus T pounds per foot, W is equal to 0.0246615, D minus T into T kg per meter, where D is the outside diameter, T is the specified wall thickness, and W is the nominal plain end mass, pounds per foot or kg per meter. What is pipe, DN, schedule, and nominal bore? So what is DN? DN means the diameter nominal, and it expresses the pipe size in millimeter. It followed normally in European standards and systems. NPS can be converted into DN by multiplying with 25. So for example, NPS 2 inch in DN is 2 multiplied by 25 is equal to 50 mm. The OD of 2 is 2.375 inch. See, I already explained you the OD is always greater than the nominal up to the 12 inch. So to convert the nominal into DN, we just have to multiply it with 25 to get the rounded figure. For example, 2 inch multiplied by 25, 50 mm. So nominal and NPS 2 inch in DN is 50 mm. Similarly, NPS 4 inch in DN is 100 mm. NPS 12 in DN is 300 mm. So these are the rounded figure. But when you have to get the OD of these, you have to multiply the OD with exact 25.4 millimeter to get the dimension in millimeters. For example, for 12 inch size, and DN value is 300, so OD will be 12.75 into 25.4, so 323.8 millimeter is the exact dimension of the nominal 12 inch pipe. This is the OD, but DN is 300. If I'll get another example for 4 inch, the NPS 4 inch, if we'll convert into DN, it will be 100. So the OD of the 4 inch is 4.5 inches, and when we'll multiply it with the 25.4, we get we'll get 114.3 millimeters. So here again the DN is 100 while the OD is 114.3 mm. So DN or NPS is less than the OD of the pipe. Let's get another example, and for NPS 14 inch. We already explained that from 14 inch and above, the OD is exactly same to the NPS size. Here NPS is 14 and the DN value for the 14 inch is 350. This is rounded figure again because we multiplied 14 with 25, not with 25.4, only 25. And when we'll get the OD of the 14 inch is exactly the 14 inch. So we'll multiply it with 25.4. So here we'll get 355.6 millimeter. So what is the schedule? Schedule is the term used to describe the thickness of the pipe. When we have to describe the thickness, standard thickness of the pipe, we have to describe it in pipe schedule. The outside diameter of the pipe is the same for all schedules in a particular nominal pipe diameter. The nominal pipe diameter normally we express in this expression like 1000 multiplied by P over S, where P is the service pressure and S is the allowable stress. When the schedule is more, pipe is more thick. When the schedule is less, the pipe is less thick. For carbon steel pipes, schedule 5, schedule 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. While for the stainless steel pipes, schedules in a term like schedule 5S, 10S, 20S, etc. I already explained you that the schedule S means the stainless steel. For example, if I'll say the schedule 40, so schedule 40 will not give you the exact thickness in mind. So you have to consult the standard. If it is carbon steel pipe, you have to consult with B36.10 to get the exact thickness against the schedule 40. And if it is 40S, then you have to consult with ASME B36.19 standard to get the thickness of this stainless steel pipe. What is nominal bore of pipe? Internal diameter is the critical dimension of pipe. This critical dimension is referred to as nominal bore. For pipes having pressurized fluid, the wall thickness and the strength of the pipe are the most important factors for the high pressure piping. The nominal bore is the European designation or it is used normally in European system or standards, in which the sizes are measured in millimeters. So nominal bore is frequently used interchangeably with the nominal pipe size. With increase in pipe thickness, the nominal bore reduces. When you are getting thicker pipe, nominal bore reduces, and the fluid velocities will affect due to the reduce in internal diameter of the pipe. Does pipe schedule changes with pipe size? For all pipe sizes, the outside diameter remains relatively constant. Therefore, any variation in schedule, that is wall thickness, affects only the inside diameter. As the schedule number increases, the wall thickness increases. Here you can see the different terms are written: STD, XS, double XS. What does it mean? STD means standard, XS means extra strong, double XS means double extra strong. So the schedule standard is identical to schedule 40 for nominal pipe size 1/8 inch to nominal pipe size of 10 inch. Similarly, schedule XS is identical to schedule 80 for nominal pipe size 1/8 inch to nominal pipe size of 8 inch. Schedule double extra strong wall thickness is thicker than schedule 160 for nominal pipe size 1/8 inch to nominal pipe size 6 inch, and schedule 160 is thicker than double XS wall thickness for nominal pipe size 8 inch and larger. So this is very important information you should have to keep in your mind, and you can check this information in this below table, that the extract from the standard. Material of construction of pipe. The selection of material of construction for steel pipes depends on their design temperature, pressure, fluid properties and environmental conditions. Pipe can be metallic or non-metallic, but there are certain factors that affects the selection of the pipe. For example, the temperature, pressure and the type of the manufacturing. Temperature factor, that is most important one. Pipe made from carbon steel, it always lose its strength at a higher temperature. We can manufacture pipe from two methods, for example, seamless and seamed. So in seamed, it is electric resistance welded pipe is not considered satisfactory for service above 400 degrees centigrade, whereas the furnace butt welded pipes are not good above 340 degrees centigrade. For higher temperature, pipes shall be made stainless steel or other alloy steel like alloy 625 extras. And you have to select the manufacturing process. Based on that, you have to select the material. You have to check the strength, durability and ductility, machinability and joining method. Like when you have to weld it, what will be the effects. The selected pipe must withstand the condition of use, like especially the pressure, temperature and the corrosion conditions. So these are the basic things for the selection of material for the pipe. There are different material standards available for pipe, like ASTM or API standards. So few I am going to mention over here. For example, ASTM A53. It is normally used for galvanized coated pipes. It is available like in 1/8 inch to 26 inch. Temperature range, this is most important thing, from 15 to 415 degrees centigrade. When the percentage of the carbon changes, the grade will change. ASTM A106. This is a seamless carbon steel pipe for high temperature service. Nominal pipe size 1/8 inch to nominal pipe size 48 inch. Like the previous material that we used, A53, normally that is used for the utility services, and ASTM A106, it is used for process piping. and its temperature ranges from 15 degree to 415 degree centigrade. And ASTM A20, this is the most widely stocked pipe material. It covers welded and seamless pipe for normal use in steam, water and gas services, like including ARS. This pipe is not intended for bending, coiling or high temperature service. It is not specified for hydrocarbon process lines. Like ASTM A120 is only for steam, water, gas and air services. ASTM A672, it is an electric fusion welded steel pipe for high pressure service at moderate temperature. Design temperature range is -29 degrees centigrade to 425 degrees centigrade. ASTM A312 stainless steel. This for the cryogenic temperature, it is up to -100 degrees centigrade. It can bear the grade 304, 304L, 316, 316L. And for elevated temperature, it's 630 degrees the maximum temperature it can bear. So this is the stainless steel temperature range. Then ASTM A333, that is low temperature carbon steel. It is used for operating temperature range from -15 degrees centigrade to -100 degrees centigrade. Both seamless and welded pipes are available. These pipes required impact testing. ASTM A335 alloy steel, intended for elevated temperature service more than 415 degrees centigrade up to 600 degrees centigrade. API 5L pipes. In the oil and gas industry, the steel pipes used to convey oil and gas. So API 5L will give you the complete compositions control and the testing requirement, very stringent testing requirement for the manufacturing point of view, and it's available in different grades like grade A and grade B seamless, grade A and grade B in ERW as well, and grade FBW. Pipe classification. So pipe can be classified into two types, seamless pipe and seamed pipe or welded pipe. So seamless pipe, that is manufactured through dies and there is no weld joint in between the pipe. So it's a seamless, like there is no seamed or no welding on the pipe. That's why it is called seamless pipe. While the welded or seamed pipe is manufactured normally from plate, and there could be a welding, single welding or double welding. You can see here. See, welded pipes are of two types again further. Submerged arc welded pipes and ERW and EFW pipes. ERW means electric resistant welded pipes and EFW pipes is electric fusion welded pipes. These are the types of the welding that is performed to manufacture the pipe. So that's why based on those welding types, the name of the pipe is given. So SAW pipe again further has two kind of segregations. One is straight SAW pipe, like when the pipe is welded in a straight pattern, in a straight line, that is called the straight SAW pipe. And if the welding is in helical or spiral type, then it is called helical and spiral SAW pipe. And then again in the straight submerged arc welded pipe, there are two further types, the single SAW pipe and double SAW pipe. Like when the single plate is rolled and welded, it is called the single SAW pipe. If there are two plates rolled and welded, it will be in the double welding on each side. So that is called the double submerged arc welded pipe. So these are the classification based on the manufacturing process and pipe and type. There are different pipe and types. Like when we manufacture pipe from different processes, the end of the pipe could be a plain end, as you can see in the picture, and then there could be a bevel end as shown in the picture as well, and then there could be a threaded end pipe. Special pipe end types, there are further two types, socket end type and spigot end pipe. Socket end can be available in metallic pipes and non-metallic pipe both, while for this spigot end, it's only available in GRE and RTP pipes. The pipe lengths. So pipe lengths, as you can see, the straight pipe, it's normally supplied in random lengths. Random lengths means single random length and double random length. So single random length normally from 1.5 inch to 2 inch pipes comes in single random length, and this single random length is normally around 6 meter. but it ranges from 5.18 meter to 7.62 meter. Like it varies, the length varies between these two range. And sometimes 2-inch comes in double random length, and that is double random length, normally it is 12 meter, and the range is 11 to 11.5 meter for the 2-inch size. For 3-inch and above the pipe sizes, it comes always in double random length. It varies from 11.5 meter to 14.6 meter. Like you will not get exactly like 12 meter. Either it will be 11.5, 11.567 or something, like it varies. So there are other pipes available, like that is called the non-standard pipes. So if you have some kind of certain special conditions, so higher temperature, higher pressure, and it does not qualify as per the standard dimensions and thicknesses, so you have to specify the specific nominal size of that pipe and the wall thickness based on your calculations. So you have to specify the length of the pipe, you have to specify the nominal size of the pipe, you have to specify the thickness of the pipe, because it's a non-standard, so it's based on the manufacturer standard. And there is one software available that is called the Pipe Data Pro software, and this software very good software, and it will give you all the dimensions for pipe fittings and flanges. Thank you very much for watching my video, and keep in touch. We'll have a lot of videos like this.